Good morning, everybody. We're here at Ginyan, Quezon. We're here at Buko Halo Halo. As you can see, we're eating the halo halo here. This is, what's your name, my dear?
Josie.
Josie. And your name?
I'm Luby.
And you are?
Diding.
Diding. Hindi naman dining-ding.
Hindi.
Diding.
Malapit
Alright.
lang.
So we're here. Thank you for Luby for sharing this place. We've been here actually last year with our classmates, but so this is my second time here with the dog. Hi, doggy. This is the surrounding here at Ginyan, Quezon. As you can see here, this is the pickup that we're using right now. This is the surrounding here. This is Chamihan sa Niyugan. What's that? Paresan sa Niyugan at Buko Halo Halo sa Niyugan. So this is the typical Niyugan here in the Philippines. Niyugan is like a coconut farmer, a coconut farm, and we call it Tagalog is Niyugan. And this is the people here. Lube is so skinny right now in her dreams.
And her dreams.
So you know, so we're just enjoying our life here. You know, life is too short, so we have to enjoy once in a while. And the best way to enjoy here is to eat this buko halo halo. This is buko means young coconut, and halo halo means mix. It's a mixture of ice shapes with ice cream, glamon, with a young coconut, leche plum.
So yummy.
You know what here?
So yummy.
In Spanish, you know what's leche?
Leche ka.
No, it means milk.
Milk.
Yeah, but in leche here in the Philippines, it's like
Bullshit.
you're scolding you. They're like, you know, minumura ka ng nanay mo. Leche. So leche, pag tinawag ka ng leche, mapasalamat kayo. So, kasi ibig sabihin yung gatas ka.
It's like isang leche,
Yeah.
dalawang leche.
Di ba yung leche? Di ba yun yung nilalagay ng gatas?
It's like sinaing.
Here in the Philippines,
Tatlong leche.
leche have a lot of
Meaning.
Leche means milk. Leche means leche ka.
Leche means
Leche
magsasaing.
means magsasaing ng
Tatlong
isang leche, dalawang leche, puro leche kayo.
But those leche is the can of the milk. That's why it's called leche. But in Spanish, leche is milk. So, buenos dias a todos.
Parang magadagasgas na yung yelo.
Enfermeros y enfermeras in California.
So, ang daming gulaman. Puro gulaman.
This is yummy, you know. This is better than Nanay Siming and Kuya Jay's halo halo.
Masarap. Masarap din sa ano.
Kaya ba?
No, it's not.
Ay,
This is
kumain
better.
kami. Masarapan din. Kasi nasa ano siya, nasa buko ano.
This is better actually. So,
Ang orderin mo pag nasa Manila ka ay yung ano. Ano ba in-order nila, Joe? Ano
digman.
Pinong-pino, parang ice cream. Harap. Ito
Halo-halo
naman ang gulaman. Para 100 plus ang
So I'm inviting everybody, if you are here at Quezon Province, to come here at Ginyan, Quezon at this
buko halo.
Buko Halo Halo. This is the best. And the place is so nice. It's very nature.
From USA.
It's like
Very relaxing.
Relaxing.
according to the Lube is very relaxing. What can you say about this place?
It's very relaxing
And
cool.
how about the food? What can you say?
Yummy.
Yummy.
So
What is
yummy.
yummy? The
We
pancit?
always ordered a chami, but because no available, we try to order bihon,
Which is?
which is very yummy also.
Okay, so it's yummy.
Delicious.
Delicious. So if you're gonna rate it from 1 is to 10, 10 is the highest. How about this? How are you gonna rate the food?
9.
9. How about Luby?
8.
8. How about you?
7.
Oh, 7. Sobra kayo ha. I rated 10. 10 over 10. So it's delicious, you know. And I don't know how about the pricing. How much the price here? Is it reasonable?
affordable.
Affordable, reasonable,
Yeah.
you know. And how about the staff?
You also have
How about the service? Do you like their service? Yeah?
it's okay.
It's
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the staff are very accommodating. They are kind,
You
you know.
can also eat the
Mm.
ano nga tawag dito?
What?
Dito, buko.
Buko, yeah.
Buko.
The coconut. The coconut
Halo-halo.
the coconut itself, yeah. The meat, coconut meat.
Yan, coconut milk.
Sarap, malambot.
Mm.
Kinakayod ko talaga to.
So it's so hot in here. So, but if you eat halo-halo, it's complements. So, you know, it makes you cool. It makes you relax. It makes you feels good. You know, life is so good. So we have to enjoy life, and you don't have to have a birthday to celebrate because being alive is a celebration.
Yes.
You agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, because a lot of people waiting to have a birthday, to have an anniversary. You don't have to. Every day is a celebration because being alive is a celebration indeed. So with that,
That's why we're always going out to eat.
okay. So with that, people, I would like to say have a good day to all, and always celebrate life, and you know, love, love, love. As per Miss Chris Aquino, just love, love, love. Don't be mad to anybody, to everybody, because life happens for a reason. So just be good, okay? I love you all. Bye. Take care.